Hi, today is such a fun day. I am getting a full head of extensions today. I'm a hairstylist in Costa Mesa, California. I'm so excited. I have not had any extensions in my hair since last summer, but I am making it long. I am getting inches. I want to be a mermaid for this summer. It's really exciting to be the one getting her hair done today. I can't wait. So come along with me. I'm gonna go pick up our coffees and matchas and we will be on our way. We got the essentials. I am drinking an iced almond milk matcha this morning, and welcome to the salon. Isn't it beautiful? Here's my before. I honestly don't mind my density. I have a lot of hair, but I am just looking for it to be long. Here is my hair. We got 2 different colors for me today. We have 3 bundles of my darker color and 1 bundle of my highlight color. This is Danielle. She's going to be installing my extensions today. She is a wizard. Danielle's using the K-tip method on me, which is the only method of hair extensions I will ever do on any of my clients. It is the most healthy. It is not harsh on your scalp. There's no pulling. You can still put your hair in a ponytail like normal. You can still style your hair like normal. It is the easiest hair extension option as far as maintenance and just like ease of having. I'm obsessed. This was after she did my first full row. That is the most satisfying thing I've ever seen. All in all, she added 2 full rows, a row in my nape area, and then a couple extra rows on my sides. Here she is cutting the extensions with a razor. This is like the part that is like make or break. This makes your hair look so natural. She gave me so much texture and like everything blended so immaculately. You truly cannot tell that there are any extensions in my hair, and the color match is so good. After my haircut, she gave me the most perfect beachy wave ever, and I was all done. Here is my after. I am so obsessed. Everything is so blended and perfect. I can't get over the color match. You can't even tell where my natural hair starts and ends. I am so obsessed. It is so long. The texture looks so natural. It is so pretty. I'm like obsessed with my ponytail now. It is like such a glamorous ponytail. I love it so much. My favorite thing about this technique is that the upkeep is so minimal. I won't have to do anything for about 5 to 6 months. I hope you learned something about the extension process today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.